Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to set up a shared folder on Google Drive. This is a really easy way to share your files when you're working on a website project, and it enables you to be able to upload files that are bigger and upload more files instead of having to send files as email attachments. So this is how we usually prefer to do things when we work with clients at Innovast. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your Google account like normal, and then you're going to go to drive.google.com to get into your Google Drive. So once you do that, you're going to go over to New, this button over here with the colorful plus icon. And then you're going to click New Folder. So I'm just going to give it a name. You give it whatever name you want. Usually I would do something like your business name or your company name and files. So for example, if you're Acme Company, you might do Acme Company Files or website files. A name like that usually works good, but you can choose whatever name you want. So I'm going to click Create, which is going to create my folder. So here is my folder. So to share this folder, I'm going to go over to the share icon over here, which is in this little toolbox here. I'm going to click Share. And then from here, you're going to want to have the email address of whomever you're sharing the folder with. In this case, if you're an Innovast client, you're going to be sharing the folder with Karen. So you're just going to add Karen's email, karen@innovast.com, and then select Karen. You'll see her photo come up, and you're not going to mess with these settings. Just keep it as editor privileges and keep this checked off. This sends Karen an email letting her know that you're sharing this folder with her. And sometimes it helps to put a message like, here are my website files, or something like that. So once you've done all of that, you're going to click Send, and that's going to add Karen into the folder and send her an email to notify her that you've created the folder and you've shared it with her. And you'll see that the little icon next to the folder has a little person, which indicates that it's a shared folder now. So if you go into your folder, there's a little person icon right here. And if you click on it, you'll see Karen has access now. And another thing you might end up wanting to do is to share a link to this folder. So there's this icon here, copy link, that will generate a link to the folder that you can send to Karen or to anyone. But now that Karen's been added into the folder, you shouldn't have to do that. So you're all set from here. So that is how you create a folder in Google Drive and also how you share a folder. Thank you.